Both of these smartphones are entry-level phones that are priced below.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all were doing extremely well. I'm your friend Aditya and you are watching Tech Furious. If you are new to this channel, go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. So let's get started.
So guys, as you all can see that now in this video we are having an Infinix Hot 9 Pro. So guys, firstly let's talk about its launching date and year. So guys, that smartphone was launched on 29th May 2020. So guys, now it's time to have a look at its features. So guys, as you all can see that it's having an 48 megapixel quad camera and having an 16.76 centimeter of display. And the main thing is the battery capacity, and its battery capacity is 5000 mAh. So guys, now it's time to unwrap the
A few moments later.
So guys, now let's just open the box package of this device to see what's inside the box package. So here we go. So guys, now let's take this out. So guys, as you all can see that we are having one headset and the features are mentioned here in front. So now just take this out. So here we have an Infinix Hot 9 Pro in very beautiful color, which is Ocean Wave. So guys, let's see what other accessories are given in this package. So guys, as you all can see that it's having an micro USB charging adapter, which is not a good thing in nowadays. So guys, now here we have a charger. So let's see the voltage of this charger. So this charger is 5 voltage 2 mAh, that is 10 watt charging on this device. Then we have a SIM rejection tool inside it. And guys, now we have a manual and the information guide in this box. So guys, if you have much time, then go through this guide, but I'm not having so much, I guess. And guys, you can also access it from the internal software. So guys, finally we get a standard transparent case, which is not a good quality as expected, but it is better than the normal case. So that the accessories were inside the box. So now let's see what the feature is in the devices. So let's get started. So guys, there are many things you don't know about Infinix Mobile. However, here are some of the interesting facts about the China-based phone manufacturer. It will surprise you to know that Infinix Mobile has been around for just 6 years. It was established in 2012, but despite this, Infinix has evolved significantly over time to become relevant in Africa and Asia. Infinix Mobile is a Hong Kong mobile phone manufacturer which is based in China. It is also a subsidiary of Transition Holdings. And guys, in 2015, Infinix entered the MENA markets such as Egypt, UAE, etc. In 2016, Infinix expanded into more than 20 countries and becomes one of the fastest growing smartphone brand in emerging markets. And it will also interest you to know that Infinix Mobile is the major sponsor of the Indian Super League Mumbai City FC. So guys, I hope you all love this interesting facts. So guys, as you all can see that we finally switched on this device. So now we are going to follow the recommended instructions given. So guys, as you all can see that finally we switched on this device. So let's go to the settings to see what are the features inbuilt in this device. So guys, as you all can see that we are in the settings. So here are written my phone, network and internet connection, connected devices, the all things which are there in ordinary phones. And as you all can see that it's having an Exos Dolphin version 6.1.0, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. and also having an 5000 mAh battery capacity, and it's also having an 8 megapixel front camera. So guys, now let's move to the other features. So guys, as you all can see that it's having many features in this. So guys, as you can see that there's one game mode. So let's open this game mode and see what's there in this. So guys, you are thinking right, I'm now going to play one game.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm very glad to see that it's not lagging on ultra high mode also. So guys, I am very happy to tell you all that I'm a noob player, so please ignore my game. But one thing I guarantee, that you will enjoy this game, play of mine. So guys, in this gameplay, it's my mission to kill at least one player. Oh. So guys, as you all can see, I finally killed one person. So guys, now we move to the question that should we buy this Infinix Hot 9 Pro? Are they the best phone under 14,000 rupees in India? So guys, my answer is yes. They are the best phones under 14,000 rupees in India. So guys, hurry up. The link of this amazing product is in the description box below. Go and check this out. You will literally thank me after buying this. So guys, if you like this video, then go and hit the like button. And guys, if you are new to this channel, go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.